What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to reset your Samsung remote control so you can fix any issue with your remote control. So if the power button is not working or some buttons on the remote control does not just work for reasons unknown to you, then trying to reset the remote control might just fix the issue for you. By the way, I also have a video that teaches you other methods you can use to fix your Samsung remote control, and I am going to leave a link to that video in the description box, so you want to check that out. Now, to reset your Samsung remote control, what you want to do is to go ahead and remove the batteries from the remote control, like so. Now, what you want to do is to basically long press on the power buttons for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just press and hold it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, what this does is to basically drain the remote control of any power that is probably stored in it and is stopping the remote control from working. So by doing this, you're actually going to reset it back to default. Now, after you must have long pressed for about 2 to 3 minutes, you want to go ahead and insert your batteries again, like so. Cover up the batteries. But this time, before you go ahead and control the TV, what you want to do is to go to the wall socket where your TV is plugged. Make sure you unplug the TV from the wall socket. And if there is any random HDMI cable or USB cable that is plugged to your TV, you want to go ahead and unplug it. And after doing this, make sure that the TV is unplugged from the wall socket for about 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes, you want to go ahead and plug it back to the wall socket and then turn on the TV and try controlling the TV again with the remote control. By doing all of this, both the remote control and the TV will start afresh and your remote control might just start working properly for you. If that actually solves the problem, what you want to do is to, one after the other, plug back the HDMI cables and the USB cables that are probably plugged into the TV and see if actually the problem is caused by any of those cables. Now, if the problem is caused by any of those cables, you just want to go ahead and replace the cables before they actually damage your TV. That will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.